cat. How are you, Avni? Okay. Are you all right? Yes. Okay, we're going to do fractions. So we're going to do fractions unit 3. Some of you are in unit 2. So this week we'll cover unit 3. We try to complete it. Last week we did part of it. And then next week we'll revise 1, 2, 3 again. So the next few weeks we're going to revise 1, 2, 3. So you have covered more than what your school is covering. Okay. Come, Naomi, turn on your video. Hello, Amara. And so we are starting with fractions here. We'll start with some basic stuff, but I want to go to the stuff that you're supposed to learn for P5. Okay. Now decimals, I've not touched this. I will touch this in a week or 2 time. Okay. So we're gonna go to this one for a while. Let us try question D. Question D. Question D. Naomi, how are you, Naomi? Very sorry, but this week I was too busy. Are you okay? Okay, now. Now there's a method of doing this. I will show you later, but you can do. I showed you this last year, late last year. I think I showed you. Cannot say the answers again. I forgot. Oh, okay, no problem. Those who forget, okay, you try first. I'm going to show you in a moment. Later, I'm going to give you hundreds and hundreds. Remember, you don't cut all the pizza. There's 4 pizzas there. Cut only 1 pizza into 3 parts. Okay, 1 pizza to 3 parts. Remember. Okay, Avni, you have changed. Your answer is correct. Is it correct? It's not correct. It's correct. It's correct. But you have changed everything. Can you change it to mixed number? Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Amara, you know what to do? We revise first. We revise because I think you all have forgotten. Imagine now I give you one whole minus 1/4. Do you know how to do this? Okay, well, 1 whole is like 1 pizza, 1 big pizza. What do you do to this one? Okay, this one. Well, you cut it into 4 parts. So you get 4 out of 4. Can you see now? Then you minus 1 out of 4. Okay, so what do you get? You get 3 out of 4. 4 minus 1, get 3. Now this one you understand, right? Now imagine now someone gives you 2 whole. Minus 1 out of 4. Now you got 2 pizzas. Are you gonna cut 2 pizza? No. You just cut 1 pizza. This 1 pizza only you cut. So this 2 now you change it to what? 1 whole, then 4 out of 4. Can you see that? 1 whole, 4 out of 4. Then you minus. Do you remember? Some of you coming to you already. Coming to you. This 2 pizza. This is 1 whole. This is 4 out of 4 down here. So you combine together. This is 2, no? 1 is 2, you know. Then you minus 1 out of 4. So whole number minus whole number. Whole number 1 minus 0. There's 0 here. So get 1. 4 minus 1, get 3. This is how you do the method. What method? The question. That's now the question. We go back to the question. Okay, down here. So, do you cut all the 4 pizza? No, you don't cut all the 4 pizza. You leave 3 of them alone. And the other one, you cut into 3 pieces. 3 out of 3. Now, why you cut 3 pieces? Because this one is 3, right? And so you put it now as 3 whole, 3 out of 3. Don't go and cut 4, because this one is 3. So this number is actually 4 now. 3 whole. Sorry, Allah. I was cut 4. I write 4. 3 out of 3. This is 3 whole. This is 1 whole. All together combined is 4 whole. Okay, now then you can minus, you see. You minus 1 over 3. What do you get? 3 whole. 3 minus 1 get 2. 2 over 3. Do you remember this now? Auni says 11 over 3. Your answer is correct, Auni, but you got to do one more step. You know what's the one more step? 11 divided by 3. Then you get 9 over here. You get 3 over here. You minus, you get 2. 3 whole, 2, 2 out of 3. But that means I think you times 4 times 3, 12. What Auni did is that 12 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Am I correct, Auni? Yes, you did like that, right? It's okay to do like that, but you need to change back to this form. It's longer. So I'm showing you a shorter way. Shorter way, just change one of them to 3 out of 3. You remember not? You see, you remember, I remember something like that. It's okay. This is mathematics. You got to recall. That's why I have to revise earlier work. Norizal said, remember. Now I give you my own question now. I give you my own question. And my question is going to be, I'm going to erase this one. Maybe I erase the top so that you know how to do the bottom. Okay, you can follow the bottom one. But here we go. This is the number. The number is 50 whole minus 3/4. Follow the same thing. Follow the same thing. You can do this. Remember, Allah has given you a wonderful brain. You know. You all know that, right? Okay, you try. Later I'll tell you the story about Allah giving us a wonderful brain. Don't cry, Norizal. Why are you crying? Crying like that. Why are you crying? Don't cry. He said, Naimi now. Alhamdulillah, Naimi. No lah, Aichi. Yeah. See, mata gatal. Mata gatal suki. Let's see who can get it. Come on, Nur Amara. Come on, Shafia. Shafia, you know how to do this, right, Shafia? You can do this, Miss Shafia. Yeah, right. Anybody. Don't change everything to, don't cut everything to 50, yeah? You get a very, very big number. Only you remember how to do it, Ami? Yes, right? Only can, Ami. Nur Amara is giving the answer now. And Naomi, well done. Naomi, congratulations, Naomi. Well done. I cannot whistle anymore. Norizal also, well done. Come on, one more rest. I'm going to give you the second question now. The second question, Second question, believe in yourself. Okay, can or not? Can, right? Second question similar to this now. I taught you already. But before I go second question, I better give you the same question. Well done. Amara, congratulations. Don't put question mark, Amara. Only well done also. Believe in yourself, okay? Don't just say no, question mark. No. You can do this. Okay. Now we're gonna go one. All of you can do it. Well done. So I give you bigger number lah. You see, I can't give big number. If you can do big number, means you can show me two small number. Okay, now you try like that and go. You can do this, Billy. I'm going to get, hold on, I'm going to get, plug my laptop in. Okay, Norizal has come in first. Congratulations, Mr. Norizal. You well done. I like the way you flip your pen. Okay, very stylish. Okay, I also can do something stylish. So you have to see. Quite tired so. Come on, the rest of you, come on. Okay, Norizal, I'll give you an extra question while we wait for the rest, okay? Well done, Naomi. Congratulations, Naomi. Well done, Amara. Auni, come on, Auni. Can do not?
Already sent, lah.
You already said. Oh, sorry. Okay. Don't do this. All of you have gotten it correct. Congratulations, Auni. Well done. You're the second one, Auni. I didn't see. So sorry. Okay. Okay, now we go one level higher. Okay. One level higher. Believe, you can do this, okay? Salah. Clue. Minus the whole number first. I just show you first, okay? I just show you first. 7 minus 2, you get 5. Then 5 minus 2/3. You know how to do, right? Don't do that yet. This one you know how to do, right? So the first step is 7 minus 2, you get 5. Now there's no whole number here, then you continue. Okay, do that method first. Here we go. 8 minus 1 and 1. And Norizal, you do shortcut, but I'm so sorry, that's not the right answer. You after you get 7, you don't go in plus, no, you go in plus 1, 5. You cannot plus 1, 5. You must break the 7 to 6 and 5, 5. Remember not? Don't forget. You minus first. Amara, okay not, Amara? Can? Norizal, you know your mistake now. What about Auni? Auni, congratulations. Okay. So for those of you who are stuck, I just help you first. First, you minus the result. 8 minus 1, 7. Minus 1, 5. And then what you do? You go and plus them together. Don't plus. Now you got to break this up. Remember, you know how to break up what? You know how to do. Remember, this one becomes 6, 5, 5. You remember not? Remember not? Now you minus lah. Okay, your minus, what do you get? Come on. Can you see now? Naomi, can Naomi? Well done, Naomi. Well done. This is a different Naomi now. Well done, Naomi. Okay, so now, yes, well done. Amara, can Amara? Okay, so you try. Okay, I give you a next question. You try next question. Don't be afraid of the big numbers. Okay, don't be afraid. You will find all this very, very easy very soon. Okay, we try that. Okay, you try. Well done, Amara. Well done. Okay, now we try the next one. The one in red. So that when the teacher goes through this, it's all easy for you. And then if you have friends who don't understand, you teach them lah. Shafia, okay not Shafia? Shafia, why are you looking down, Shafia? You sad? Are you sad, Shafia? Are you sad? No. Okay, good. Okay, remember, minus the whole number first. Then after that, don't plus. Don't go in plus after that. Let us see Norizal. Congratulations, Mr. Norizal. You're getting the hang of it. So Norizal, I will give you another question while we wait for the rest. Because the student must not be doing nothing. Otherwise, they get distracted. In school, what happens? The student finish early, they might do other things lah. Congratulations, Auni. So Auni and Norizal, challenge question for you, both of you. Here we go. Yes, please go and get your bottle. No problem. Go, Amara. Go. Water bottle. I still got water bottle lah. You also got water bottle. Come on, come on, come on. Mimi, you can do it, Mimi. Naimi just finished. Shafia, what about you, Shafia? I've not gotten an answer from you. I'm coming lah, coming. Why you can? Let's see, Auni and Naimi. Congratulations, well done, Naimi. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Okay, okay. The next one don't need to do yet, Naimi. We will give you another question in a moment. Okay, but okay, if you want to try this one, it's okay, Naimi. No problem. You can try this one while we wait for the rest. Okay, we wait. You try this one. You see whether you can overtake Auni and or you don't want to do, it's okay also. We are waiting for Shafia and Nur Amara. Nur Amara went to get water bottle, so we may need to move on. Okay, those of you who not sure how to do this, Shafia, 20 minus 5. What's your answer, Shafia? 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5. Come on. Unmute yourself and tell me. 20 minus 5, how much? 20 minus 5. No result. Okay, just a moment. No result. Congratulations. Well done. 20 minus 5, 15, right? Now you already minus the whole number. No more whole number. No. Well done, Auni. So both of you got it correct. So now the no more 5. Now left 15 minus 3/5. So down here now, what to do? You got 15 pizza. Someone wants to buy 3/5, you know. So you only cut one of them to 5 out of 5. What cut only one of them 5 out of 5 like that. The other 14 leave it alone. Then you minus 3/5. Okay. 5 minus 3 get 2. Okay, 14 2/5. Okay. Quite easy, yeah? Quite easy. Okay, we're going to move on to another topic now, another skill. So I'm so glad all of you remember. Okay, that's very, very good. Okay, let us see now. Simpler one. That is quite the one I guess gave you quite difficult skill, right? So now you try this one. B. Clue, you got to make the denominator the same. You can make the denominator 8 times 5, 5 times 8. Can you try this? B, please. Easy. Come on. Auni, is your cat getting bigger now? Auni? Is it getting healthier, bigger? Yes. Okay, no problem. Those of you have forgotten, okay, I'm going to show you. No problem. This shows the human being is forgetful. It's okay. Some of you say you send me a message, I forget. No problem. So what do we do? This one is a different size. Remember, what is this? This is the size of the slice. So down here now, they cut the pizza into 8 parts, but you only have how many parts down here? You only have 7 parts down here. This like that. It's like having this is 7, 8. Then this pizza, how? This pizza is 5. There's 3, 5. Right? We cut it into 5 parts like that. Different size, the slice. We are talking about different size slice. It's like now you cut your cake like that. Then your friend say, I want 3 out of 5 slice. You don't want all this. You want like that. 3 out of. How to give him this size slice? You got to make them the same slice. Now, how do you make them the same slice? You cut it smaller. This 5 you times by 8. This 8 you times by 5. And remember, you got to be fair. If you times the bottom by 5, the top must times by 5. You times the bottom by 8, the top must times by 8. Okay, Auni has given an answer. Let's see here. 7 times 5, 35 out of 40. Minus 3 times 8, 24 out of 40. So, you know what it means? It means you cut all this to 35 parts. You cut all this to 24 parts. but they are same size. The slice of the size is 1 or 40. Yes, you can take water, please, only. Okay, you can take one for your cat too. 35 minus 24 is 11 out of 40. Okay, you remember that? You remember that? Izal, remember? Izal, remember? Huh? Yes, huh? We're going to give you another one. I'll give you practice my own question. Okay, my own question. Okay. Then after this practice, we go for a short break. Short break means not going far away, not going anywhere. I'm going to just share with you some stories. Okay, that's 3/4 minus. Then you mean coming back. 2/3. Remember how to do this. You try. You try. Okay, simple stuff. Simple stuff. You try this one. Come on. Number one. Come on, Amara. Shafia, come on, Shafia. I've not received a single answer from you. So the teacher will be thinking, what is she doing? But sometimes you are catching up. Yeah, you want to start doing, we finish. Then you must tell me, teacher, you're going too fast. Then I will give them other questions to do while we can go through it. Okay. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared of asking questions. You can send me a message.
Sorry, can I take pencil?
Please take pencil, whatever you want. Naimi, what flavor water is that? Is it Ribena? Water. The way you're drinking is like so nice. Well done, Norizal. Well done. Okay, those who can do question 1, do question number 2. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit more challenging lah. Okay. Try that. Okay, those who can do number 1, okay, no result have already done number 1. There's thunder in your house, means there must be lightning also. But the question why, Amara, is this question: why when we see lightning, when we see a lightning, then there's sound of a thunder? Later we go to that. Why is it there's that loud sound? What causes the loud sound? Some people say it causes a loud sound because the lightning strike a building. Maybe, but sometimes it doesn't strike a building, can still hear. Why? Okay, we come to that later lah. It's a science question actually. Okay, Izal, whoa, very fast. The boy is very fast now. Let us see. Well done, Izal. Congratulations. Izal, do you know the reason why, while we're waiting for the rest, you know why there is this loud sound of thunder when you see a lightning? Do you know? Yes, okay, what's the reason? Okay, Izal knows. And the rest of you come. Naomi, nice hair you have, Naomi. You can join a shampoo advertisement. Yes, like that. Clip it up. Okay, very good. Okay, come. What's the question again? Why is it when we see a lightning, you know lightning, we can hear loud sound after that, like thunder sound? Why? Where is the sound coming from? The clouds. Okay. Means the cloud must be very noisy, maybe, but that is not the right answer. Okay, but it's okay. We'll come to that in a moment. Izal will. Okay, let's see. Shafia, well done, Shafia, for the first one. Don't be sad. Shafia, congratulations. Well done. Can you try number 2, Shafia? And the rest of you are waiting for you. Only Naomi, come. Naomi, you know what to do, Naomi? Question 1. Can see the question? You cannot see. Yeah, you try question number 1. Almost done, Amara. Well done. Auni, congratulations. Auni, move to question number 2 while we give Mr. Izal this question. Mr. Izal. This is how come the cat look like that? I ever seen the cat. This one cat berantu tu. Kucing berantu tu. I ever gone to Malaysia and then the cat, every time the cat see me, it's in a cage watching me. I was very frightened of that cat. Okay, Izal, you try to see, can you do this or not? Amara, the first one, how do you get 6? Down here. Oh, you got 6. No. Down here, you must times by, okay, those who are not sure, I'm going to show you. This time you times by 3. Okay, because 4 times 3, right? 12, right? So I think you forgot to minus or forgot to time. This one you times by 4. Why? 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 3, 12. The bottom, top one down here, bottom times 3, top one times 3. And if the bottom times 4, top, no problem, no problem. Naomi now explaining now down here. Okay, so we need to make the size the same because why? 3/4, the thing is like that now. 3/4. 3/4 is like that. It's a different size of slice. 2/3 is like that now. 2/3. 2/3 is like the chom one like that. The size is like that. How to minus? So we got to cut it into how many parts? 12 parts. Okay, Izal, just a moment, Izal, just a moment. So down here, let us see now. How to, so you see, Naomi, 4 times 3, 3 times 4. You take the 4 times the 3, the 3 times the 4, you get 12 down here. You get 12. Now the size of the slice is the same. You can minus. Remember, the number on the bottom is the size of the slice. No slice, pizza slice, cake slice. This is the size. So 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1/12. Okay, Shafia for the, which one you doing, Shafia? Number 2. This one. Shafia. Shafia. Yeah. Shafia really busy doing. Okay. Izal, just a moment, Izal. Hold on. Izal, your answer is correct. Okay. Okay, so number 2 cannot be the answer. You go in plus, I think. Okay, so look at this. 1/12. So I'm going to show you number 2. Auni, you know how to do, right, Auni? So down here, what to do? Now you mean 7, this one is 5, Amara. So we times by, well done, Auni. You times by 5. This one, what do? You times by 7. So you times by 5, you times by 7. Why you do that? You want the bottom number to be the same. 7 times 5, 35. You see, bottom get 35. 5 times 7, 35. Why we have 35? The size of the slice is the same now. So 6 times 5, 30. 3 times 7, 21. Minus 30 minus 21. You get 9/35. Okay. So I'm going to go through another one. Okay. Here we go. We give you another question. Question number 3. Okay, you try again. This time you don't need to times both. You only need to times 1. This 4 you can times 2, no? Then you can get 8. You don't need to times 4 times 8. You can just, you try this first one. Everyone here wearing red color, except for Shafia. Shafia, you come for Zoom to share, you didn't wear school, the red uniform. You see, Izal, Auni, Naomi all wearing red. Even Amara wearing red. You are wearing green. No, I'm just joking. Everyone is wearing red. How you're janji?
Because my sister said because
Your sister say what? What did your sister say?
it is Chinese New Year.
Oh, Chinese New Year. Yeah, correct.
Green is highlight.
Oh, because you don't celebrate Chinese New Year, but Chinese Muslims also celebrate Chinese New Year. Yeah, the New Year is no problem actually. It's the one like Christmas we cannot celebrate. Christmas is celebrating, you see the birth of God, but God cannot be given birth to, right? I think I better not say that to people here, but yeah, we believe in the prophet. You can still notice I think something is wrong, Norizal. You times by 8, times by 8, times by 4. See, that's what you're. Something wrong. You don't need to get 32 actually, but if you get 32, your answer is wrong. Your answer for this one is wrong. Can you try to see what minus what? 4 times 8, 32. 3 times 4. 3 times 8, 24. Not 21. It's not 21. It's something over 32, but not 21. Your 3 times 8, you get 24. 24. Is that wrong topic? Apa wrong topic? Ini right topic ini. Kita doing same topic ber. Ini. You times you get 24 on top, right? Over 32, right? Okay, 1 minute's time, 1 minute's time, 1 minute's time. Shafia. Shafia now. Congratulations, Miss Shafia. Auni, your answer can be reduced. You can divide both by 4. Actually, you don't need to change to 32. So girls and boys, if your timetable is good, this one is quite simple timetable. Okay, I give you 1 more minute. 1 more minute. But Shafia, congratulations, Shafia. Well done. Auni, your answer is correct. Izal, your answer is correct, but your answer terbalik lah, Izal. Izal, okay. No wonder lah, he went out lah. Well done, Auni. Well done, Auni. Now, you mean your answer is correct, but can still be reduced. Okay, so I'm going to show you the 2 ways of doing, right? Some of you have done 2, but some of you do this times 8 times 4. Then you times 4 times 8. Correct. If you're doing like that, it's correct. But I'm going to tell you something. Yeah. What am I going to tell you? Okay, watch what I'm going to show you. Actually, you don't need to times this. This number I'll show you. Hold on. What do you want to do? You want the bottom number to be the same. Watch. Watch what I do. 3, 4 minus 3, 8. Actually, I just need to times the 4 by 2. 4 times 2 get 8 lah. I don't need to times both. I just need to times one number. Then it's so much easier. Look, 4 times 2 is 8. Then what I get? 3 times 2, 6. 6 over 8. Minus 3 over 8. Then what do you get? 6 minus 3 is 3 over 8. So some say no lah. I think better just times. Why? I don't want to think. Maybe some of you say easier. Okay, never mind. You want to do this way, no problem. So 3 times 8, 24. Over what? Over 32. And then 3 times 4, 12. Over 32. Let me tell you why it's longer. You see, it's longer method. 24 minus 12. You minus, you get 12 also. 12 over 32. Now, a few of you gave this answer. This is correct, but it's not simplest form. You can divide this by 4. You can divide this by 4. And what do you get? 12 divided by 4, 3. 32 divided by 4, 8. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Same answer lah down here. So what is the lesson we learn? You look, if this 4 can become 8, just times 2 je lah. Don't need to times this, because your number become very big. Then after you got to reduce again. It's like now you eat so much food, become very big. Now you got to lose weight. Very slow process. Okay, so we try one. More. So Naimi, your answer is correct. 12 or 32, Naimi. What? You see answer, but you must divide by 4. Then you get down here. So you ask yourself, can you times one of them to make the same number? You cannot, then you times both. Okay, we try. I'm going to give you another one now. You see first. Plus, some plus. Are you going to times both? Or are you going to times one? Clue, you just times one. Just times one. Anybody. Well done, Norizal. Well done. Congratulations. We're waiting for the rest. And just in a moment, we will show you some interesting stuff while I get ready to open this. Alamak, why? Why alamak? Your answer is correct. Eh? Well done, Shafia. Well done, Shafima. Shafia. Well done. And, oh, never private message. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, we wait for the rest. Okay, again, you just don't need to times 12 by 3. Take 3 times by 4 lah down here like that. 3 times by 4. Times by 4. Well done, Auni. Now what do you get? 12. You don't need to take 12 times 3, 36, very big number lah. You just need to times the one down here. So 4 plus 7. Can you see now, Amara? I don't need to times both. If you want to times both, also no problem. But later you got to divide. Slower. So it's 4 plus 7, 11. So now if you get another answer, say some of you say, I'll go in times this by what? 11, 12. Well done. So now if let's say any of you do this way, you go in times by 12. Not wrong, but you're just doing a long way. Right? You're just doing a long way. Times 3. Times 3. It's like you want to go to toilet, but how you don't walk through the living room, you go through the window. Can also, no problem. Okay, you get 12 over 36. But going through the window is dangerous. Don't do that. Plus 21. No very big number. Then what do you get? You get 33 over 36. 33 over 36. Then after that, you got to divide by 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3, 11 over 12. Same answer, but you're going through a long way. So first thing you ask, can I times one of them to make the same number? If cannot, then you times both. Okay, in this case, you times this by 4. Okay, I am just going to share with you something. Okay, so that you all don't feel bored. Sometimes I get worried, you all are feeling bored. So let me just share with you. The other day I shared with you some stuff. Now I'll share you another stuff. What is that? Okay, now here. This now, you know what's a volcano? You all know volcano, right? But do you know there's volcano inside the sea? So this is a volcano inside sea. Volcano, you know, right? Volcano. Okay, if you don't know, I'll draw for you lah. Okay, a volcano looks like a mountain, like that. What we call mountain? What you call mountain? Gunung. But this gunung now are the lava inside. The lava can go out from this part. This is called gunung berapi. It's called a volcano. Gunung alone might not have lava. So this volcano is inside the sea. Now, what's so important about this one? Well, the scientists have found out that they uncovered 90 new organisms, small organism, maybe slightly bigger, or maybe certain type of fishes, that they have never found before. They found it inside the hole down here, inside the gunung. Okay, inside, in deep sea volcanoes inside. What does it mean? It means that the human being has not discovered all the organisms, the animals, the living things that are on the earth. There are many more. Allah has created so many. Some of them are still hidden today. Okay. Go to the next one. What is this? Which country do most people visit? The #1 country people visit in the world is France. Prancis. No, roti Prancis. France is such a beautiful country, they say. And every year, 86 million people visit France. What is in France? You have the what? Eiffel Tower, right? So that, what about US? US only 76 million people. China 60 million. Italy 58 million. Singapore, I do not know, maybe less than 10 million. Okay, less than 10. Yes, Norizat. Are you okay? Okay. Now, metric system. You know metric system? Those of you who do not know what's metric system, I'm gonna show you what's metric system. Because you must know this. Let me just show you metric system. This one. So metric system. Can see this, right? So the metric system is we have what? Meters. See metric system. We have length in meters, time in seconds. Okay, meters, for example. US doesn't use meters, no. They don't use meters, kilometers. So all over the world, we have used kilogram, kg. Then we use meters. So there's one thing you must realize is this. There's only one country in the world that don't use it. What country is that? It's the US. The US use miles. Have you heard? Miles. They use pounds. They don't use kg. All the whole world use cm. They use inches. You haven't heard of this word inches. If you look at your ruler, okay, I just show you. Your ruler that you have in your school, the ruler. Okay, we show a picture of the ruler. This one. Down here. Can you see this one? This ruler, yeah. Alamak, cannot see that. That's not the right one. I'll show you another one. You heard of inches, yes. So if you buy, let's say now you go to Subway, it's got a 5-inch. That's a US term. They use inch. So let me just highlight to you again. We show this ruler. Okay, I just put an image down here. Down here, can you see this one? They show me. This we use cm, on top is cm. 1 cm, 2 cm. They are using inches down here. 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. Then we use meters, they use foot. Some people say, his height is 5 feet tall, is 6 feet tall. We don't use that. We use 1 meter and 100 cm. So all around the world, all countries use cm, meters, kg. US doesn't use that. US use inches, foot. We use kg, they say pounds. We say kilometer, they say miles. So just for you to know, okay? Just for you. Now, the coldest temperature, they say, is 144 degrees Fahrenheit. You see, US uses Fahrenheit. So okay, so what is minus 144 degrees Fahrenheit? So let us see. That is the coldest temperature in the world. So let us see now. We change Fahrenheit, Celsius. We are using Celsius. So in the US, they are using different ways to measure. So now, if you say minus 4144, it means it's minus 97, minus 97. 0 degrees is the temperature of ice. Let's say now you go to toilet. Let's say you go to toilet. You berak. Let's say. Your dung, you put inside the fridge. You know what's the temperature? It says 0 degrees. When it becomes ice, you put inside the freezer, your temperature might be minus 5 degrees, minus 10 degrees. Minus, less than the temperature of ice. So can you imagine now the temperature, that's how it changes. Minus 97 degrees. 100 degrees less than ice. So what happened? They say down here, the temperature recorded, during a span, just a few breaths of air at this temperature might cause you to have brain damage and even kill you. If you breathe in the temperature minus 97 degrees, habis. Your brain, you drink like Slurpee, you get brain freeze. Some people, they're not real brain freeze. This is really, you get brain freeze. Okay. Now, what is the youngest country in the world? I do not know whether you know this. South Sudan. They got their independence in 2011. When you were born, I think. When you were born, they just got this independence. So this is quite a new country. Singapore got its independence in which year? 1965. They got 19. Okay, but the last one. Before next break, then I'll share. There are still 43 countries that have a king and a queen. Maybe we only hear Britain. England, we have king and queen. Brunei got sultan. Some more. Thailand got their king. Do you know there's 43 countries that still have king and queen? So those of you who wish to get married to a king or queen, yeah, you can find out which countries. But you know, in some countries, the rule is if you marry a commoner, that means now let's say the king or queen, or let's say the prince wants to marry one of the girls here. You know what they need to do? They got to give up their prince status. That means when they marry you, they cannot be prince anymore. But sometimes in some countries they say never mind. So you got to search for the right country. Okay? You know which country to go to, right? To become, then you can become princess and whatnot. Okay, now we go back to this. Back to which one? Same thing. Down here. Okay. I think this is your not bad. Now this one. Can we try question number C? Question C, yeah, that's one. Question D, so question F. C, D, F. Very fast. Yes, please refill your water. Bottle, yes, refill. If you can refill my bottle, so maybe. Yes, please go and drink water. Drink water. And bring your water. Can you go through one? Okay, sure. Okay, I do the first one, can? Okay, I do the first one. Those of you who feel. Oh, I go through this one down here. The one down here. I go through the first one. So down here now, you got to ask yourself, must you change this one? Yes, you must change this bottom one. So what to change? You times this by 3. The top also times 3 lah. Then the whole number, this one don't do anything, it's the same. This thing don't do anything, it's the same. Remember, this one we are changing the size of the slice. This one, the pizza don't touch. So this one you can times by 2. So you can times by 2. So what do you get? Now you get 1. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 3, 6. Plus 2 wholes. 1 times 2, 2. 3 times 2, 6. Now what to do next? Whole number minus plus whole number. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 over 6. Okay? Shafia, okay, right? Okay. Now you try D and F also, D and F. Is that okay, Izal? So the same thing like this now. Imagine when you do it, imagine there's no whole number lah. You want to plus. Okay, yes, first one is correct. D is correct, Mr. Rizal. What about F? Amara can do, Amara? Can, huh? Okay, good. Well done, Shafia. We move on to F. Auni can do that, Auni. Auni can do. Auni, you know how to do that?
Yeah, I already sent you the.
You send me. Okay. F is a little bit challenging. The rest you didn't send. Okay, the rest. Okay. Let me see. The F is a little bit challenging. Let's see them. 5 out of 6. How come Vishan you get 5 out of 6? That is for D. Oh, okay. But why is there 7? Okay, Auni. All right, for this one, it's very simple. Girls and boys, Auni, look at this. 3 plus 2, 5. Just copy the 5, 6 here. 5, 5, 6. Because I see the word number 7, I do not know. 7, 5 out of 6. So it's 5, 5 out of 6. You try E also, try E. Okay, F is a little bit challenging. Never mind. If you cannot do, it's okay, but you try E. 6, 25 or 40. For which one? F. Is it F? Okay. But you don't need to go to 40 yet. Why must you go to 40? Okay, we go through together. This one, you all know how to do whole number plus whole number. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, right? And then the fraction itself just bring over. Just bring over. 4 plus 2 is 6. Come in. 1 to 5. Why 1 to 5? Okay, this one you get 6, right? 4 plus 2 is 6. Then bring over the 2, 9. Like that. Okay, don't worry, we'll go practice more in a moment. F now, we come to F. F is a little bit tricky. Watch what I do. Now you need to, yes, please go to the toilet. Okay. You got to make it the same denominator times 3. This one you times 5. This one you times 5. Why times 5? Go bottom times 5. What times 3? Now we times top by 3. So what do you get? You copy that 3 whole 5 over 15 plus 3 whole 4 times 3 is 12. 12 over 15. So you add them together. 3 plus 3 is 6 whole. Auni, I think you give the answer for. I'm not too sure. Okay, then now here 15. Yeah, 17 or 15. But this thing number is too big, bigger than bottom. So what must you do? You must change this 17 out of 15 to a mixed number. 17 divided by 15. Well, 15 divided by 15, you get 1. You minus, you got balance of 2. So this one is what? 17 out of 15 means, yes. 17 out of 15 means what? Is equals to 1 whole 2 out of 15. So this one now down here, it means 6 plus 1 whole 2 out of 15. See where I get that 1 whole 2 out of 15? This is 17 divided by 15. I get 1 whole 2 out of 15. Okay. Now I must plus together. 6 plus 1, 7. How? Okay na? You say, I don't know how to divide by 15. Very simple. 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 2 already 30. So you use 15. So if the number on top is bigger than the bottom, you have to make it into where you get 2 over 15. Now I show you now. When you divide 17 divided by 15, you get 1 whole. Then you minus. Yes, I only can go toilet. When you minus, you get 2. This is the 2 out of 15. The remainder out of 15. 1 whole, okay, 1 whole goes here. 2, it goes here. 15, 15 at the bottom. Don't cry. Like you asking, just explain, you cry. Don't cry, okay. Izal, you get it, no, Izal? You understand or not? Okay, we try more questions below. Okay, let's see. Let me choose for you first. Let me choose the question. Okay, this one, you do G. G is going to be similar. G, you try G. You get 24 lah. You will get 24. So let's see now. You just give me a moment, 1 moment. So you got to times 8 and then times 3, yeah? It's a bit hard, but just write some steps here. Okay, so your 29 over 24, you must divide this up. Your 29 over 24, you must divide. 29, 24, you must do like that. Like this is up. Must divide. So you got the correct steps, Lisa, but you got to complete it, yes. Can or not? I hope you all can do. I'll show you already parts of it here. Okay. So now you will get the next step is results. 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 plus 21 is 29. So now this is not the final answer. You have to do like that and divide the final. What's the final answer? This one is bigger than the bottom. How to do next? Anyone can do. Naomi, well done, but you must plus with 3 whole, Naomi. So Naomi has gotten 1 whole. Okay, Naomi has gotten this one. 29 already. You got 1 whole, 5 or 24. Congratulations. But Naomi, don't forget, you are supposed to plus with these 3. This one is 154. You're correct. But plus with the 3. Well done. Well done. So now down here, let us see. You get 24 down here. Minus, you get 5. So you can see 1 whole, 5, 5, 24. Now you must plus it together. 3 plus 1 whole, 5, 24. Plus. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 whole over 24. How is it? Is it difficult? This is your primary 5 standard. Okay? Your primary 5 standard, you all must know how to do. You see again. Some of you get very confused. Listen, you don't know how to divide. It's a little bit hard. Yeah, it's a bit hard. You might be worried about this one. Okay, don't worry about this one. You write down your timetable. 1 times 24. 24. Okay. Now we go to the next one. 2 times 24, you try, you get 48. This one is 48 is more than 29, so you must use 24. 24 divided by 24, you get 1. You minus, you get 5. 5 goes on top. 1 goes to the whole number. 24 at the bottom. But don't just leave your answer as 1, 5, 24. You must plus with the 3 now. Okay, we try one more. Okay? We try one more. Don't give up, okay? This one a little bit hard, it's okay. It's okay. You try now. Question this one. H. Try question H. Auni can do now, Auni. Can, right? Naomi, well done, Naomi. Nurisa, I think you have gotten answer almost correct. Almost. You see, Izan, this is 2 plus 4 already 6 now. Just now you get 1, 5, 21, right? You get 1, 5 over 25. 1. What happened to the 1? You must plus to the 6 star 1 whole. 1 whole must plus to the 6. You get it? You understand? Sir, how is it? You look very tired today. Tired, don't be tired. Okay. Okay, we wait for the rest for a while. Sir, can I test you on some mental sums? Can? We try 11 times 15. But take 11 times 10 first. In your head, 11 times 10 plus 15. 11 times 10 is what? Okay, you plus 15. In your mind, try to think. 11 times 10, then you plus another 15. You write down, cannot lah. Who is this? Auni? Auni cannot be 1, right? Auni, look, 2 plus 4 already 6, you know. So something went wrong, Auni. Okay, we're gonna go through shortly, yeah. Can I go through? Naomi, can I go through? Can. Naomi, why you look so sad? Suddenly she looks sad, she look happy. Okay, 1 to 5. 11 times 15. No. It is actually 165. Okay, never mind. Later I'll teach you how to do this. Okay, first step is we times this by 7. Times by 7. This one times by what? Times by 3. Times by 3. So let us see. We rewrite it. 2 whole. 2 times 7, 14, you know. 14 over 21. Plus 4 whole. 12 over 21. Okay, look, Auni, look, Auni. Now can you see, you get this one, 2 whole 14 over 21, 4 whole 12 over 21. You get that? You must make sure you get this first. How to get this? We make it 21 at the bottom. 3 times 7, 7 times 3. If you times the bottom by 7, the top you must times by 7. If you times the bottom by 13, the top must times by 13. So when you take 2 times 7, 14. Don't forget the 2 whole. 4 times 3, 12. Don't forget the 4 whole. Now you plus together. 2 plus 4. How much you get? 6 lah. 14 plus 12. 14 plus 12, 26. Over 21. Don't leave your answer like that. This number is bigger than this. You got to go and divide like that. 26 divided by 21. You cannot. 1 times 21 is 21. Okay. 2 times 21. 2 times 21 already 42 lah. 42, how can you? This one is smaller than 42. So I use 21 lah. 1 whole lah. Minus. 6 minus 1, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Don't write answer like that. 1 whole 5 over 21. You're so happy. Then say, ask you how your 6 become 1. So you must remember, this one here is equals to this. You still have to plus your 6. Must plus the 6. So you get 7 whole 5 over 21. Can see now. Yeah, I go through again. First, you make the denominator the same. Times 7, times 3, times 7, times 3, 14, 21. 2 whole 14, 21, plus 4 whole 12, 21. You plus a whole number. 2 plus 4, 6. 14 plus 12, 26. Good, over 21. But you cannot leave the answer like that. Why? The top is bigger than bottom. You must divide 26 by 21. 26 divided by 21, I get 1 whole, 5 out of 21. This is only for this. 1 whole 5, 20. You must remember to plus the 6. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7, 5 whole over 21. Some of you look got headache. Naomi got headache. Naomi got headache. Headache. Don't get headache lah. Okay. I'm now going to show you this one. Okay. We continue some stories lah. Okay. So first of all, royal families, there's still 43 countries royal families. You got to find them out. Okay. Okay, the next one. Let us see now. Do you know there's a website that tracks the world's population in real time? What does it mean? It means every second, how many people are there on the earth. So What is it called? It's called World Population Clock. Okay, I'm going to bring you there. Okay, let me see now. Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Where is it? Cool, yeah, it's quite cool. Okay, you can check even Singapore. Can you see? Let me see whether it's here now. Down here. I checked the Singapore population. Now it's 5,924,929. See what other countries you want. Okay, we go to world population. World population. I just world population total. Now they're getting the data. Look, every second babies are being born. Can you see? They're changing. Now we have 7,903,303,980. By the time I count, the number changed. Can you see now? And 990 become 1,000 already. So this is the number of people on the earth. There's so many people on earth. So they say now you want to find the death down here. Can you see the death? People are dying every second. We are talking. People are dying now. So you want to read Inna Lillahi. Even you cannot finish Inna Lillahi, some more people die. Can you see now? Say I read Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilaihi wa Raji'un. Alamak, dah 10 orang mati lah. I read one more time. I read Inna Lillahi, another 10% die. So same thing. Births now. Say Alhamdulillah. 5 babies born. Every time you say Alhamdulillah, babies are being born, people are dying. Okay, and then yeah. But anyway. So far this year, all over the world, 14 million people have been born. 5 million people have died. Now you want to check population of different parts of the earth. Okay, let us see. You want to go population by country? You click population by country. So which country you want? Say I want Singapore. Singapore, we went Malaysia lah. Malaysia. You go Malaysia then. Malaysia. Malaysia, can I see? 33 million. Ours 5 million, in 33 million. And the population is going up. And you can use this to see. Oh, in 1987, 16 million. Let's say when were you born? You were born in the year 2000 and let's say 2011. Malaysia population was 28 million. So it's quite a good website. Quite a good website. Okay. Anyway, just sharing with you, there is a website like this. You can go and check it out yourself. It's called World Population Clock. Now down here. Global Adult Literacy Rate. Literacy means able to read and write. The Malay word, if you ever heard buta huruf, ever heard of buta huruf? Buta huruf means cannot read, cannot write. Okay. This one means can read and write. 86%. That means 86% out of 100% can read and write in the world. So it's quite a lot. Last time, a lot of people cannot read and write. Now the 86% is quite good. Singapore, do you think there are people who cannot read and write? There are. I have ever thought, primary 6 students do not know how to read words. Let's say house. Their own names, some of them don't even know how to read, spell. Can you imagine? There are people like that. Now, Tokyo. Tokyo is the largest city in the world with 37 million inhabitants. Tokyo is in where? Japan. Okay. You know, Japan got the greatest number of earthquakes. Yes. It also have the biggest city. Biggest by what sense? Most number of people in the city, 37. Our country is a city, right? Only 5 million. They got 37 million, It's a lot. Don't be shocked. Don't be shocked by what you read down here. Pandas poop most of what they eat. What does it mean? It means whatever you eat, most of it, they will bear out, excrete. Imagine now you eat ice cream, will come out. Why? Why is it like that? So every day they need to eat 30 pounds. You see, pounds is US, right? How much is it in kilogram? Maybe it might be maybe 18 kg kilogram. So every day eating 18 to 20 kg of food, And what are they eating? Bamboo. And bamboo is very difficult to eat. Bamboo, your gala. You know what's gala? Your gala, you gantung baju. They are eating that bamboo, the leaf lah. Okay, very difficult to digest. So most of it come out. They say 4/5. 4/5 is what? If we do the fraction, you all learn, right? 4/5 is what? You divide the pie into 5 parts. 5 parts are like that. We learn this one, right? Fraction, we're learning now, right? So 4 out of 5 parts, imagine they eat. 4 out of the 5 parts, the shaded part come out as dung, as tai. Only this one, only the body will take. Can you imagine you eat most of it, you bear out. You need a bigger toilet bowl. Okay? It happen like that. But this is real. This is why, because many of this stuff they eat, the bamboo shoots cannot be digested. Let us see. Okay, that's it. Oh, that's the last part. So sorry, that's all. So we go back to our. Okay. Now we are going to go to a different part of. This one we need to learn. Okay. Can you all try this one first? 7 minus this one. Minus a whole number first, and then you try again. You can do this. You can do this. Izal, you have a very scary looking cat. You have a cat at home, Izal? Ada kucing at home? No. Do you have a cat? No. No. Maybe you want a cat, you ask your mother lah, Mommy, can I have a cat? My children, when they were young, they also wanted to have a cat, but right until now, they are 20 plus, they also want to have a cat. What do I tell them? I say, don't get a cat. Okay, go and get married now, because now you are big enough to get married. What am I saying? I say, saying girls are like cats. No. Okay, last time they want to have a cat. Now you mean you have a cat at home? You cannot have cat. Are you allergic to cat? Yes. No. Oh, your father doesn't let. Yeah. It's okay, because sometimes there was one family member I have, my cousin's cousin. He used to make lepat. You know lepat? The lepat like ketupat. Then there's cat hair on it. Okay, let us see now. Auni almost correct, Auni. First part you did correct, second part you go in plus. Don't plus, you're supposed to minus, Auni. Auni, you're supposed to minus. Your first part you minus, second part you go in plus. Second part you must minus also. When you take 7 minus 3, you get 4, right, Auni? 7 minus 3, you got 4, right, Auni? 4 minus, no, you go in plus. You must minus, so you ask yourself, you break up 3. You remember how to do that? Come on. Izal, you look very confused. Izal, are you okay? Yeah, how come you show your full leg to me? I know you got very sexy leg. You do the same thing, Auni. You're doing the same thing. Okay, I will have to go through it shortly. Yeah, some of you I see you can't tahan already. Can I go toilet, please? Go to toilet. You look so tired. You will go to toilet, Naomi. Come. Auni, your answer is not correct, Auni. Try, Auni. Okay, I am going to show you how to do this. I'm going to give you my own question. Amara can do, not Amara? Okay, we do 7 minus 3. What you get? You get 4. Minus 5, 6. Auni, this is what you do, Auni. Look, Auni. Minus, you go and put 4, 5, 6. Tak boleh lah. You're supposed to minus. How come you go in plus? This is not plus, no? This is minus. So how to do minus? Remember what to do? You break it up. Someone wants to buy 5/5, you know. You have 4 pizza. 3 pizza, you let it be the same. The other one, you cut to 6 out of 6. Remember how to do like that? Remember that? 3 pizzas, then 6, then you minus lah. 5/6. So what you get? 3 wholes, 1, 6. You're dah penat lah. Only person not penat is Amara. Amara is not penat. Auni, you get it or not, Auni? You understand or not? We give you another one. We give you another one. Okay, we move on to another one. Izal, you look very tired, Izal. Okay, I recommend this. Minyak kapak. Minyak kapak, you know, X oil. You put all over, then you feel like it's the burning, something burning. Okay, but don't do that after your parents will blame me. Okay, I am going to give you my question. Here we go. We try. You can do this. You can do this. And action. Shafia, where are you, Shafia? Come out, Shafia. Stop playing in the dark. Okay, why are you playing in the dark, Shafia? What happened? I don't want to go for tuition. Why you don't want to go for tuition? My mommy forces me. Come, try. Says this. Okay. Sophia, you want me to show you where is she? Sophia, you want me to show you not the video of your performance? Who is this? Who is this? No result. But not 7. Yeah, 877, then you must minus the 57. You must minus the 57. I only almost correct, but you forgot to borrow. Your 9 whole as well, 12 minus 3 is 9, right? Then 9 you must break 8 and 1. 8 and 7, 7. How many? 8 and 7, 7. You still got 9. Auni, come on, Auni. Congratulations, no result. Well done. Okay. Amara, can Amara? Can Okay, I won't share the answer. Shafia, where are you, Shafia? Why are you running about? That's why you turn on the video just now. Because when you turn on, we cannot see anything. Except some creature at the back. Okay, those who have finished no result, you try this one. I'll give you another question, okay? No result. Shafia, you want me to show you the video, no, Shafia? The one that at the center, you want? You want me to show you? Yes. Come, you try first, I'll try first. The last question for those who have completed. Only you know your mistake, Rani. Okay, what's your answer then? 927 is still. Amara, very close, but not close enough. Mr. Badr Izal. Okay, I will go through now. Come, we go through step by step. First, we take 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 get 9, you know. But you still have not minus 5 over 7. So we write like that. So Auni, look, Auni. I'm showing you now. Okay, Amara, so look. So now here 9. Now we want to minus 5, 7. We break it up. We break it up to how many? 8. And this one becomes 7 out of 7. 9 plus 7, 7 is 8 plus 7, 7 is 1. No? 8 plus 1 is 9, correct? Now we can minus now. So you see 7 minus 5 is 2 over 7. 8 whole of here. Can you see, Amara? 12 minus 3 get 9. Then we already minus the 3, right? Now we are left with 5, 7 here. Now we will take 9 whole minus 5, 7. We don't need to have 9 whole because 1 whole can minus 5 over 7, right? 1 whole, how you make it 1 whole minus? You change the 1 whole to 7 out of 7. So I change now 9 whole, I change to 8 plus 1 whole. This 1 whole, 7 out of 7. I make it to 7 out of 7. Then I minus 5, 7. 7 minus 5, I get 2 over 7. There's still a balance of 8. I hope you get it. You'll get it or not? Get it or not? Okay, I hope you'll get it now. Okay. want to see, there's this video of Shafia was involved in this video. Shafia, you want me to show the video now? Okay, this is actually, okay, because it's almost 4:30. If any of you want to take part in this, you can tell me. Inshallah, it might happen. This is to help Malays to speak Malay. See, huh? Do you know there are many Malays who cannot speak Malay anymore? So I did this activity. You want to look at this activity? You want to see this activity? I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Oh, moment. Let me just see. Where is it? Down here, where I'm just showing you the video. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna. It's called pidato. Pidato means what? Pidato means giving a talk.
Oh, saya tidak boleh bercakap Melayu-Melayuan.
Okay.
So in this activity, we are having a lot of laughter.
Okay, ready Okay. Hutang emas boleh
Buang.
hutang emas boleh dibuang. Orang kalau dia pinjam nak minta duit, pinjam duit, jangan kasih dia.
Pinjam.
Hati hutang dibuang. Seperti ayam dengan
Ikan.
ayam dengan ikan. Kau lapar ingat makan ayam dengan ikan. Dah, ready.
So step one, they need to introduce themselves. This is to get them to be, because these are all Malays, right? So now the Malays are starting to lose their language. So we have to have this activity.
Nama saya Muhammad Syakir bin Muhammad Syaf. Saya dari sekolah Madrasah Irsyad. Tapi selepas ini saya akan pergi ke sekolah Madrasah Al-Rabiah untuk menengah 1. Ibu saya adalah seorang pengurus di sebuah di sebuah
Syarikat.
syarikat wang.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Abdul Matin. Saya di sekolah Unity Darjah 6 dan akan pergi ke sekolah menengah 1 Spektra sama macam abang saya. Ibu saya kerja sebagai doktor. Ibu saya kerja sebagai nurse, bukan doktor.
Okay, I show you Shafia's part. Can see Shafia? This is Shafia. Okay, so we start with. This is now continuing a story, okay? So that's.
Untuk mengambil O-level, saya akan mula dengan satu ayat. Setiap seorang tolong sambung cuma dengan satu ayat saja.
Buat ayat ke perkataan?
Buat ayat lah, buat perkataan. Satu word dia nak buat apa? Cerita besok pun tak habis.
Boleh.
Semalam saya tanya kepada ibu, bolehkah saya membeli seekor kucing?
Yang berwarna hitam.
Sambung. Aku tanya mak saya nak beli kucing, boleh tak? Dia bilang, yang warna hitam. Sambung.
Ya, boleh.
Cari yang lebih murah.
Alamak, lukit lah mak.
Never mind, dia try lah dia memang dia.
Apa dulu, you continue the story, tak payah dialog.
Nak beli mahal pun tak boleh.
Oh, anak yang paling biadab
Okay, but I'm just that's one part of it lah. So if you are interested next time, I might be organizing this, and this will help you in your Malay language, and you'll be having laughter and all my big mistakes. But this is something you need to do. So if you're not speaking Malay, you must speak Malay. I know I'm teaching you maths, but you must not lose your language. Okay, I'll catch up with you again next week. All right, let me see. Bye bye. Okay, see you. Bye bye.